Hi guys! Nanapud ko for today's video magbuhat ta og chewy homemade brownies. First is butter, sugar, 1 cup. Mix it well. 2 eggs. Salt. So, mix it well lang guys para ma-dissolve atong sugar o salt. Vanilla. All-purpose flour. Cocoa powder. Para fudgy and irresistible imong brownies guys, pwede ra ka mag-add og dark melted chocolates. Baking powder. Isef. Ayagon guys. Mix well guys, but dili lang nato i-overmix atong batter. Since wala ko'y dark chocolate guys, nag-add na lang ko og chocolate chips diri sa mixture and then nag-toppings po ko guys para nice atong appearance later. So mauna na itong chewy homemade brownies guys. So nag-preheat na pagod oven 350 Fahrenheit. So ato nang i-bake 25 to 30 minutes. So let's go! So yes guys, kaniya akong baking pan, gigrace na ni og butter with parchment paper guys. And ato nang ibutang sa atong oven 25 to 30 minutes. And fast forward guys, luto ng atong homemade chewy brownies. Nice kay guys ang appearance. So let it cool lang ni guys mga 10 minutes before na to i-slice. So mao na ni guys atong recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!